Kekal di sebelah kiri di simpang. Dalam 3 kilometer, ambil susuk keluar di sebelah kanan.
Open
Okay.
all the way up.
Or you can blind it.
Yeah. You can take it out. Want to keep little bit of light or screen it, then you have it. And I killed some of the trees. Still, they did not survive. That one there died, passed away. We have. Do you know that we have around 20 to 22 degrees difference between day and night?
Really?
Like 32, 33, 34 in the...
So you started from here?
Apricots and
Apricot.
these kinds.
This is apricot.
Still must try.
Okay.
We have here a battle between us and the birds.
You need a scarecrow? You have a scarecrow?
All kinds of birds. All kinds of birds.
And you mark red?
We in the daytime morning we keep them here in that area. In the night in the room. In the afternoon 3 o'clock and above we take them outside to the nearby plot. The plot beside my land, my farm. So they take their time, feed. This is special kind of turkey. This costs 1,500. Yeah.
One
One of them,
Expensive.
1,500.
this is very rare species. You can see the color. Did you ever see this? I'll show you one by one. They hatch this year. I'm keeping them aside, away from the big ones.
Okay.
Those hatch in the farm.
Oh,
April.
and April.
And you see this is a different kind, the red one.
Yeah.
Also this is rare. What we know is the black and the white.
Oh.
You will see their father and mother at the other corner, the far corner.
So they are same breed but just different color.
Yes.
They can grow how old? How old?
I don't know.
This one how many months?
Those, April, May, June, almost less than 3 months. This.
Oh, it's big.
Oh,
Open from... Wait.
from here.
Wait, I'll take it out. You can go out for you.
Oh, okay.
What?
They want to fly out.
No.
Yeah. Okay, they are here now.
See?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. This is how old?
Maybe less than 2 months. 2 months or more.
Okay.
Where the hell did you get them? Mustafa! اتصال الابراهيم وين؟ اوبا وين رحت ولد؟
Oh, dia telur. Telur.
العب مصطفى مصطفى الحق يا زلمه دجاجي طلعت على السياج بنت الذين جيب لك عصاي جيب عصاي دجاجي طلعت على السياج اخت الذين تشعبطت زي البساس
Oh.
شبطت الشبك زي البساس بدك عصاي مشان If you leave it strong wings and
They fly. Oh, what breed is this?
I don't know what they call it in English.
It's nice. Colorful.
The male has a big head, while the female is slim. This is the only way you
This is bird or chicken? This is bird.
This is a bear. Usually it's in the wild. It's usually in the wild. في بيضة صغيرة بحد بيضات عند الوز مش عارف الدجاج صاير متعود يبيض برا شاغل. هاي اللي جوا بيضة بط إذا ما دنتها تعرف أعطتني إياها شو طلعت؟ بس بياض. And this one is developed by the Japanese and you eat it with the skin with everything.
Oh,
It's not still ripe. It turns to orange like the orange when it's ripe.
You eat including the
Yeah.
the
Just
cover.
eat it like that. The whole thing. So delicious.
They become like grapes. Semua cat. Kita kan tak pakai. So that will prevent from insect, right?
Yes.
And this is your garden entry.
This is the guard room here
Mm-hmm.
and the small store or whatever we have.
Mm-hmm.
We need. Now I'll show you how I make the chicks here.
Okay.
I don't wait for the chicken to sit. The first stage is the hatcher. It's not here. It's in the building. This we call it incubator because you take the chicks. We take the chicks here. It has a system to control the heat
Mm-hmm.
so that you raise it till 30,
Warm.
32 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
For 2-3 weeks. You start taking it down step by step till it comes to 24, 25, 26 or so. And then after that, we take them the other side.
To keep the temperature. What is that? The big box? Is it the insecticide? Yeah.
That's right.
Ah, it's good. It's,
That's what
there's-
for the insects.
we can get that. It's hard to get in Makkah. Ah.
This is like
Really?
white powder.
Okay.
White powder.
Ah.
It's what green?
It's same. Nuts.
Oh, nuts.
This is nuts.
Must
Now-
be expensive, huh? The nuts.
Now this nut is different than this. The only thing the difference is the size of the fruit and the skin. This is very smooth skin, while this has a rough, like the avocado here.
Mm-hmm.
We plant them in March.
Oh, this eggplant.
Oh. Oh, eggplant.
Eggplant.
Oh, there's chili. So you don't need to go to supermarket to be
No bend out here. You have been Jayousi.
Not much. 1.5 of this size or this. It's not a good one.
Okay, pistachios.
I might take them out all and plant olive trees instead because first of all it takes 8 to 10 years till start giving fruits.
Oh.
Till start giving fruits.
So-
And then
Very
the product,
long.
and then the product is not that much
Mm.
worth it.
So, but so it's expensive, right?
And this is difficult why?
Too long.
Because this is difficult why? The pistachio, because the trees you have male and female.
Many.
Oh,
And if it is not
fertile enough.
if the male throw the what do you call it the seeds before the female, you are coming to win. Bye bye. And it can withstand heat and frost. Of course.
Mm.
This is why. I've only bought few plants like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's spreading.
So fast, huh?
Not too fast. It took them 2 years to reach this
Oh,
Oh.
situation. Here there is some, I don't know what you call this, zambak. It started to grow, and again, this does not withstand the frost that I have here in this area. In winter it reached -6.
oh.
So see, those don't survive.
Those are what, lavender?
No, this is not. This is blue jasmine. Blue
Ah.
jasmine.
Smells
They
good
call
or what?
not much, not much.
And yeah, colorful.
That's where. Just for the look. This is a solar cell. This is coming from the pool
So,
through the pipes, and then
so
from
this
the end,
this is incoming, right? Because PVC
this is incoming from the pool.
incoming. Okay.
Incoming from the pool, and the outgoing is from the other side.
So outgoing is not PVC. It must be metal.
No, it's the same.
Still, oh, it can stand. Huh?
Can
Okay.
stand. Special for heat. I think it's working now. If you want to see how hot
So
it is,
it also act as a shade to the car,
as a shade for the car.
2 in 1.
This is not my car. This is my brother's car. He lives in Canada. He just left before Eid.
Oh, so you just live here.
He's related the water, rainwater tanks. Below this building, I have a big water tank that takes 100 to 110 cubic meter.
Mm-hmm.
It's all collected from the roofs, the areas, and everything.
Mm-hmm.
All the drains are coming to this one.
And calculated, no?
And what you ask about first,
Build up there.
built up area. So the usable space, actual usable space, is not almost 250 to 280. But when you add these areas, the pool, the water tanks, and so on, it goes up to 450. Now this is, I don't know what to call it. These are grapes. They
Oh.
are dried up now.
Oh, grapes. Okay.
Not grapes, not grapes. This one, come and see. This you can see, you understand what is it. Toot, we call it in Arabic toot.
Toot.
You know? This you know?
Nothing like that. That's the one.
Fancy. Whether
This is ripe. Wash it and eat it. It's
Oh.
very sweet.
Okay, we try.
It's very sweet.
and
No, sorry, one black.
the black one can eat already. Is it right?
Yes, yes. Yes, and we have inside in the fridge. We have some in the fridge.
Just want to. Oh.
It will make your hand dirt. Watch it. We have in the inside house. You will test it there.
Inshallah.
And this is the pomegranate.
Oh, my favorite.
And this is the fig
Oh.
tin.
What tin was it in?
That was planted by brother by mistake there. Shouldn't be there. This is the area where all the fig should have.
This is my favorite fruits.
But it will grow very big, right?
Yeah.
But can the plant tree? The plant is so small.
Sorry?
When it go big, it's very big.
Yes, yes.
But the
So
plant.
the leaves will go down like that.
Oh.
Oh, this is our pomegranate tree.
Yes,
You
1,
see, yeah?
2, 3, 4, 5, and
And this is a flower? Oh, that's a flower.
Oh, dia kecil ya.
انت بالخير يا رب، انت بالخير ان شاء الله. يعطيك العافيه مع اتصالك. سامحنا بس لانه عطيت نفس. يلا الله يبارك فيك، شكرا، السلام. Sometime I planted these big trees outside,
Mm-hmm.
and we are irrigating them. So that those are like this big ones.
Okay.
When they grow up, the problem is that the frost comes with the southeast wind, which is blowing from here. So this is the first group that will take the hit,
The heat.
the hit,
So
the hit
prevent.
of the frost. It's frost. All of this fig tree can't withstand the frost. Cannot. It's usually should be on the shores, hot, humid areas, but not like this. Yeah, come on, you can see.
You better try this.
Okay. School here, huh? Mm-hmm.
And garlic
Mm-hmm.
and some salt, all mixed. Same way you make
Healthy food.
yeah, the same way you make this food. Garlic, lemon, salt, and some pepper. What you call it? This green pepper.